Journal of Humanistic Psychology is a peer-reviewed academic journal that publishes papers in the field of psychology. The journal's editor is Shawn Rubin, private practice. It has been in publication since 1961 and is currently published by Sage Publications. Former editors of the journal include Thomas Greening. Abstracting and indexing. Journal of Humanistic Psychology is abstracted and indexed in, among other databases, Scopus and the Social Sciences Citation Index. According to the journal's citation reports, its 2017 impact factor is 0.614, ranking it 111 out of 135 journals in the category Psychology, Multidisciplinary. References. External links. Official website.